everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I'm a CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. So today I'm just going to discuss about a Revit topic here. So let's discuss about the first group by footprint. So how to create group by footprint, I'm just going to tell you. So for that one, suppose example, I'm going to make some small plan here. Okay, so let it be, I want to create a roof here. So then what you can do, take a roof by footprint. If I take a roof by footprint, it will ask on lowest level notice, means that so you see, if I take in a level 1, the roof won't take here, so it will take, but in level 1 only it will take here. So that's why what we are going to do, I want a roof in a top surface. So for that one you can take level 2, click yes to this one. After that one, what you can do, by using the line, you can take a drawing and you can sketch here by using this line. Or else if you want to make with the pick points also, you can make that. After that, now see, this symbol is indicating that there here in slope is there, that's why it's showing the symbol for that. I'll finish this one. Then see, it is asking that would you like to attach the highlighted walls to the roof. I'll click yes to this one. Once if I click yes to this one, all the highlighted walls will get attached to the roof here. If I'll give no, it won't get attached to that one. Now we'll go to 3D option. Now you can click in the realistic form. Now you can see the roof here. The roof is created here. Now example, now here see some changes if you want to make here, then you can keep in top view, put it footprint. Now suppose I don't want a slope here, I'll click this one and I'll just remove the slope from this. If I'll remove the slope here, now you can just finish. Now the slope will get removed from that portion. Okay, so like that we are going to create a roof by footprint. So in the upcoming class we can learn about the roof by extrusion and roof by face, and roof soffit, roof fascia and roof gutter. In upcoming class we will see this one. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.